I want to use this crazy projection in one of my maps in VizHub. However, this is not part of D3. It's actually sort of a separate package. So here I would like to show you how you can add packages to your viz in VizHub. Here's what I want to do. I want to make a fork of this globe that shows the submarine cables, but I want to use the air-ocean projection, which is this one here. It's Buckminster Fuller's Dymaxion map projection, which I think is just pretty cool. The problem is, if you search the D3 documentation for Geo Air Ocean, it's not there. That's because it's in this other package called D3 Geo Polygon. So the question is, how do we load in D3 Geo Polygon into this code here? Well, we're going to have to add it as a dependency to our package JSON. So here I will specify, okay, we want to pull in something from D3 Geo Polygon. What version should this be? Well, to figure that out, what I like to do is navigate to the package in unpackage. So unpackage, unpkg.com, is the CDN that hosts the browser build of various libraries. And so if you just type unpackage.com / the name of any npm package, it will give you the latest version, which in this case is 1.12.1, and also the path of the build. So we can take this version and go back here and use it. And we also need to add an entry in this VizHub libraries part of this package JSON. I'll just copy the D3 one as a starter. The reason why we need to do this is because VizHub pulls in libraries from a CDN. It doesn't use NPM. It doesn't do NPM install locally, so we have to kind of work around that constraint by telling VizHub for each package what is its browser global, that's what the global field is, and then what is its path within the CDN to the browser build. So D3 Geo Polygon is the name here. The global for that, I believe, is D3. Let's take a look here. This is somewhat cryptic code, but you can sort of see that it's this AMD boilerplate, and it does define D3 as a global. This is how all of the D3 packages work. If you use them individually, they just tack things onto the D3 browser global. So that global should be correct. Now, what is the path? Well, the path is whatever comes after the slash here. So I'm just going to copy this and paste it over here. /dist /d3 geopolygon min.js. And if I refresh the page, we get this map. Check it out. That's amazing. And panning and zooming sort of works too, but in a weird way. But for completeness sake, I want to make it clear in the code that we're pulling in Geo Air Ocean from this other package. See, this code actually works, but that's only because it's attached to the D3 global. So I just want to make it really clear which package this is coming from. So I'm going to move it over. And I'll do the same in our map file. Okay, there it is. Well, the result is not exactly what I had hoped for. I was looking for a way to project it that would minimize the cuts of these cables. And this is not that, but we might be getting closer. But anyway, that's how you can add various packages to your viz in VizHub.